Do you like to embed or add a PDF to your WordPress website easily and properly? Then this video is for you. I'm Andrew from WordConvert, and in this video I'm going to show you a few different ways for quickly adding a PDF to a WordPress website. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for the latest WordPress tips and tricks. There are two different ways to add a PDF to our website. The first way is that we create a link so that the user can view the PDF or download it using the link. And we can, of course, force the user to download the PDF or to open the PDF in a new tab or just open the PDF. And the other method is that we embed the PDF in our page so that the user does not need to download the PDF or open it in a new tab, so that the user can just use the PDF and see the PDF like any other images or anything in our page. So I'm just gonna start with the first method, and I'm just gonna create a PDF link so that the user can download the PDF. So I'm just gonna bring my media library, as you can guess, and add the PDF here. And now if I just open the PDF, open my attachment, you can see we have a link here. I can just copy this link and I can just use this link wherever I want. And of course I can just change the title and the caption and the description. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And now if I just create a new sample post, of course you can just do it in all pages or any page builder. Basically whatever we are doing here can be done in any page builder such as Elementor or any post or pages or anywhere. So now I'm just gonna change the title to my PDF, and here I'm just gonna create a link so that the user can open it. So I'm just gonna type you can download the PDF from here. And of course you have seen these phrases all over the internet that they say you can download it from here, or you can download it from there, or this is the file, or this is the link. And now if I just select the word here and create a link, I can just paste my link here, and if I just press enter, now we have the link. And I'm just gonna update my page, and of course I'm just gonna change PDF to capital so it doesn't complain, and also in the title. And if I just publish my page here, my post here, and view it, you can see we have the text and the word here. You can download the PDF from here, and if I just click on the word here, or if any user clicks on the word here, they can just get the PDF, but it's not opening it in a new tab. Of course the user can just click on opening the tab, or the user can just download using save link as, but I like it to open a new tab, so I can just come here and check this option here, open a new tab. And now if I just update this and refresh the page, and now you can see it's opening the page, the PDF in a new tab, which seems better to me. And you might want to force the user to download the PDF, and you can do this if you want. So here, if I just select edit.html, and I have to select this because this editor doesn't let me, I think, do this. And now you can see we have a paragraph, of course, and a link. And if I just type download, so download, after the opening a tag, so the a tag is our link, and if I just type download here as an HTML attribute and save this, now if I just refresh my page and click on the word here, you can see it no longer opens the PDF. It's forcing the browser to download it, and that can be cool if you want. And this is basically the way of adding a link, and WordPress can do something for you if you want to. So if I just add file here and select my PDF, my very same PDF, you can see it's just creating a download link and the name, and it's giving me some options here, but I don't like to use this because it's limited. So I can just download it and it's forcing the download, or I can just open it and I can just hide the download. So if you don't like to work with HTML, this can replace what we have done, but I like the first method much better. And this is the way we can add links in our pages, and of course you can just do this in any page builder you like. But now let's say we want to embed the PDF, so it's a part of our website, and first we're going to use a plugin, a free plugin, and then I'm just going to show you how we can do it using Google Drive and without any plugins. So I'm just going to open my plugin section and add new, and I'm just going to search for PDF embeder, and we have double these here, and here it is, PDF embeder. Just click on install now. And now I just have installed and activated the plugin, and if I just look at the setting, you can see we have a new subsection here, PDF embedder, but we will talk about this setting later. So let's just bring the very same page, and we're gonna add our PDF, basically embed our PDF to this page. So I'm just gonna click on add block here, and if I just search for, you don't need to search for, here it is, PDF embedder, and now I can just select my file, my sample.pdf file, and now if I just update the page and view it, you can see basically it's embedding the PDF in our page, and it's a little big, I think, but it's just doing the work, and the user can just zoom in or zoom out in the PDF, and they can just change the pages, and that's it. But if I just bring the setting, we can just limit the height and width in pixels if we want to. So if I just set the width to, let's say, 1200, and now if I just refresh the page, we can see it's much smaller. And also we can just change the location of the toolbar. So this is a toolbar here, and we can just set it to bottom or top or both, and also we can select whether it just stays or it just hides. So by default it's just hiding, and whenever we hover over it, it just displays, but we can just set it to always visible, and that's the setting here. Not much here, and that's it. But the third method is using Google Drive, and I'm just gonna bring Google Drive here. So drive.google, and if you don't have Google Drive, just by creating a Gmail, you just get access to all of the services of Google, and Google Drive is just one of them. And I have just uploaded my PDF here, and if I just click on it and open it, here's my PDF. Of course I can just get the link from share, but if you just want to embed this PDF, you have to click on open new tab so that we get the full options. And now I have just my PDF, and if I just click on this setting link here, I have the option to embed item. So if I just click on embed item, here it's just giving me an HTML code. So if I just copy this code here and bring my website, I can just bring my pages, and I'm just going to create a new page so that we don't mix it with the previous PDF coming from the plugin. And now if I just click on add block and search for HTML, and you get this HTML in any page builder, so you can just use that. And if I just paste the code here and publish this, and Google Drive PDF, and here's my PDF. You can see it looks different from the PDF that we just embedded using the plugin, but this is another way. And I should warn you that this method can be slower because we are getting the PDF from Google Drive, and it can be slower than just embedding the PDF in your host. So I would just stick with the method of uploading the PDF in our host, and I really like the first method because I think it's just more concise and valuable to users, that we let the users just download or view the PDF, but you can just use any method that you like. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you have any problem related to WordPress, just reach us from the link in the caption.